Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest budget smartphone from Tecno in India, the Tecno Camon 15. So Tecno Camon 15 comes with a lot of upgrades. It has the dot-in selfie camera or the punch hole camera, which is a 16 megapixel camera. Then you get a 48 megapixel rear camera, and it's a quad rear camera, and it has 4GB RAM and 64GB storage and 5000 mAh capacity battery. So it is loaded with features. So this is the Tecno Camon 15, the box package, and we have the purple variant of this device. So let's get started with unboxing. So you can see the dot notch mentioned here. Then you can also see that one-time screen replacement promise. That's the one from Tecno on most of the smartphones. Then you get the 4 plus 64GB storage variant. Now the specifications of the device is also mentioned here. It runs Android 10 out of the box. We have 2 GHz octa-core processor. We'll have to confirm that. We haven't got information on which is a processor. Then we have 6.6 inches HD plus dot-in display, 16 megapixel front camera, dual flash, 48 megapixel quad rear camera with a quad flash included. Then we have ultra night mode included. Then 5000 mAh capacity battery is also included. Ambient light sensor, G sensor, proximity sensor and fingerprint sensor is included. So the pricing of this device is 999. So let's get started with unboxing. So first, opening up the box. So we get a small box here. So let's see what else comes inside. So we have a SIM ejector pin here. Then you get this case and 12 plus 1 month warranty, so 13 months warranty is included. So this is the case. So you can see here it's a kind of a pattern on the case. So we have the Tecno branding here. There is the quad camera, fingerprint scanner, and some neat pattern is included here. Then let's take the device out now. So that's the Tecno Camon 15 and looks good in purple. So let's just peel this off. So you can see that it has a dual SIM card slot as well as a dedicated SD card slot, and this is the 6 plus 64GB storage variant. And you can see that innovation designed by Tecno, that's the mention here. Then Tecno branding, you can also see a pattern here. If you could closely look at this pattern, so if you can see that there's a pattern here. This is a quad rear camera. It's a 48 megapixel primary camera, and it also has night mode included. It's a secondary camera is 2 plus 5 plus QVGA camera. The 48 megapixel primary camera has the best details. The 5 megapixel camera is an ultra wide angle camera with 115 field of view. Then 2 centimeter is depth sensor, and we also get a QVGA camera along with that. Super night mode is there. Then auto scene detection, and a few of the features are included. This is a fingerprint scanner. It's a quad LED flash. The camera unit looks quite good actually. Now we have the in-display camera here. This is a punch hole camera. So let's boot the device. So while booting, we'll see what else comes inside the box. So in the box you get this charger. It's a 5 volt 2 ampere standard charger, and you also get a USB cable. It's a micro USB cable again. Not the USB Type-C, it's more of budget smartphone, so this is micro USB again. So that's all inside the box. Let's have a look at the device now. So now we have booted the device. So this is the 6.6 inches HD display. Now it's a regular HD plus resolution display, so no full HD support is supported. So if you go to settings, you can see all the features, and this has a lot of additional features also on offer. Now this runs on Android 10. That's quite good for a budget segment. Quite a lot of devices still come with Android 9. And you can see it has 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, 16 megapixel rear camera, 48 megapixel quad camera, Android 10, 5000 mAh capacity battery, and this has the Helio P35 octa-core processor. That's what the app says. We have installed the CPU Z app. You can see that this says MT6765 octa-core processor. That's the MediaTek Helio P35. Now let's have a look at the camera. So this is the camera of this device. So you get the 48 megapixel mode, the beauty mode, the bokeh, and super night mode. So all those features are included. and there is also 2x zoom included. Now let's also have a look at some of the samples we have taken with this device. So these are some samples we have taken with the Tecno Camon 15. Now the phone also comes with a 5000 mAh capacity battery, which should be able to last for more than a day, and this should be able to give you good battery life as well. So that is unboxing and hands-on with the Tecno Camon 15. It's a quad-ray camera and punch-hole camera, priced 9,999 in India. So that's Tecno's new device in the budget segment. So this is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.